So we're going to start with a potato. My potato is pretty small, about 6-7 centimeters, and I didn't peel it because it's going to be peeled when I turn it. Trim both ends of your potato to have something like a chunk that is about 5 centimeters long. Hold the potato in your guide hand. Then place your thumb from the other hand on the bottom and the top of the knife or the blade on the top of the potato. Move your blade outward to the midpoint here and then inward to the bottom. Rotate the potato and raise the knife back to the top. So turn. So repeat the motion. So here my potato is not really regular, but I do have my 7 sides. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. We want to have something uniform, right? So you see, I can turn it another time to have something like so. Do it again. So go over to make it just a little bit thinner. And voila. Depending on the size of your tourné potato, they will have a different name. So we will learn those names in a future course.